Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This long time no do the vending machine. Okay, last time I do vending machine is a long time, so now I started to do. Okay, you can see this F&N cream soda machine used by EV3 brake, and then use 2 motor and then 1 sensor here. So we want to put money inside. Later you will know. So when you press starters, okay, this machine only accept 50 cents of 50 cents. Okay, so when I put inside, so the F&N will drop down. Okay, so let's see the second try. Okay, I put inside. See bigger for you. See, okay, inside. Good job. In the second try. Okay, now section 2 is coin rejection. Okay, notice about it, like for example, you can put 20 cents put inside. This happen, you see, rejected. 20 cents rejected. So get rejected. Sample like this. Some money is rejected. Only 50 cents can accept. No, when you get money here. Okay. So let me reload back the things. Put here. Okay, let's see the mechanism. Okay, and this about mechanism. Now I put the money things at here, so you can see it's like that. Put inside money and then money roll inside the container. So let me try it when I put this here. Put here inside, you get rejected. See how get rejected. So you see why 50 cents can go through this container, because this container bigger as here. You see that here. Okay, so see one time, so you can go inside the container. So I put second try at here. Okay, so when we put the color sensor at here, so when you put, see how the function is that. Okay, we start now. Okay, put inside, it will detect. Put inside, it will go. So like this, you drop down, something like that. Okay, this is our function about mechanism here. So I can this one you will do using by EV3 program. Okay, so I will everyday do one vending machine. I will do like simple program like this, something like that. So this machine we are using 2 large motor, 1 color sensor. Okay, this buy from the robotics, because I got learn robotics, so I will buy this for playing. It's about, the prices is 3,000, very expensive. I will put the link in my description, and then you will check in to see lah. Bye bye.